Good afternoon. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport-Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And we're here today at Advanced Auto's new location with Patrick Cravat. He's a district manager here for Advanced Auto. So, hello, Patrick.
How are you? Thanks for coming out.
Good. Tell me a little bit about the new store.
Well, we're so excited to have this new store open. You know, we were over across in a hole over there, and we've got this brand new building here filled full of parts, and I've got 15 team members ready to wait on customers and fulfill every need that you have. Like I said, we're very exciting. It's a beautiful store.
Pan over here.
Yes, and these are our new graphics, and we're just waiting on the customers.
That's wonderful. What is your address here at Southport Crossing?
It's 5018 Southport Crossing Way. It's in the Lowe's Food Shopping Center. It's very convenient. You can get in off of 211 and off of 133. So we just invite everybody to come out, see what's going on, whether you buy anything or not. Just come get your battery checked. We'll be glad to do that for you.
That's great. You do a lot of different things here. So if you've got battery problems.
Absolutely.
So come out and
it's one of the things we specialize in is batteries, and we do replace them for our customers if they need them replaced, and we're just here to help.
Wonderful. Well, Patrick, thank you so much. We appreciate Advanced Auto being in our community, making that big investment of a new store, and we appreciate it.
We've been here for a very long time, and we made the investment to stay here, and we're just here for the community. And we thank everybody for coming out, and thank you for your business.
Well, we appreciate all the wonderful support that you've given the community over the years and the great service. So we look forward to more years here in the Southport-Oak Island area for Advanced Auto. Thank you.
Thank you.